Today I'm gonna make some chicken noodles with coconut milk. You see that? And this is something I'm started. I've never made this before, maybe something like that, but not really something like that. And I love to improvise food, so today I'm also trying to improvise the food that I have eaten somewhere, like, but not like a Thai kind of thing. That's why I'm trying to use this tom yum, and this will be my new ingredients here. And then I have a chicken I just boiled, so if you see that doesn't look nice because it just came out of the fire. And this is the chicken soup that I boiled it, so hopefully it will turn out to be good. Let's see. As I'm again using only my one hand, don't try this at home on your home if you are not experienced cook. Please try to focus on what you're cooking. So I put a little bit of oil here. It's a normal sunflower oil what I have. Okay, here. Then now I'm gonna put a little bit of this is onion and garlic. So actually all the food that I cook is all that I improvise it myself. Because sometimes like I eat somewhere and then I was like, maybe I can make a little bit like that. So it won't turn exactly like how it's supposed to be, like little bit, because I'm not like Thai or something like that. So, but I try to improvise the food. Let me see. Yeah, the stuff. So, trying to find the things. Let's see what I have. This is my dishwasher. And I have, because I'm also trying to put tomatoes, because I have enough tomatoes at home from my garden, so that's why. See here, this is what. So this is just garlic and onion. Yeah, and once it's done, I need some help, but I don't have anyone, and I'm doing everything with one hand. I'm trying to put a little bit paste of this one, tom yum, so it will be a little bit tasty. Like a little bit shallowy and turn on the fire. Yes. Of this. Let's open the door. This is nice garden. So this is tom yum paste. I put it. It will give a little bit of like a Thai flavor. We usually otherwise we can put like a galangal and lemon leaves, I think, but I don't have, so I'm just improvising now, just like a little bit, otherwise it will be too stinky the house. And I put a lot of tomatoes here. Need to cook some time, and also because my children they don't like tomato pieces, so I need to cook it very well so that they don't feel. Once they feel with their teeth, then it's like disaster, like and you see all those tomatoes, onion, garlic, ginger all around their plate, so that's why should be doing like this here. I love cooking, that's why. And people say like, oh, you cook so well. But every time, like if somebody asks me to cook the same thing twice, like maybe maybe it will be totally different because I just improvise for food. So now maybe this is the best way of keeping the recipe, like what I cook. Just try to make a live video while cooking. Yes, let me see how it is. So basically, guys, like I'm still repeating. So I just put a garlic and onion first, and put a little bit of tomato, tom yum paste. This one, tom yum paste. 2 spoon of this spoon. I use a teaspoon. No, how do you call it like that? A teaspoon? No, it's not teaspoon. Tablespoon. I still don't know what is tablespoon and what is teaspoon and what is what. And this one is pretty. It's quite tricky. I don't know how long does it take to cook these tomatoes. Basically, it's from a garden. It's like a jumbo. I have no idea what do you call these tomatoes. Sorry, it was so huge. Yes, now start cooking, and I need to, and then afterwards I need to take care of the chicken, and then cabbage. It's a boiled chicken, so sometimes while I finish it, I can just eat it. Nice. I cook it in a pressure cooker chicken, and then afterwards the broth then in the broth. Sorry guys, I can't resist myself eating chicken. I love chicken. Oh, I don't know. Maybe the food will be good or disaster. I have no idea because I still see these tomatoes not cooked properly, and I need to cook. Not bad. Now I lose the taste of this tom yum. Now what am I supposed to put? That's what happened when you try to improvise something, because you don't have a recipe, so you just start adding the stuff that you like to have. So my improvise today is because I had lots of tomatoes, so I said like, oh, how to utilize the tomato, because my freezer is full of tomatoes now. And now start raining here in Holland, and when it's rained a lot, the tomatoes start rotting, so need to find out how to preserve them. I eat tomato a lot, but not like this. Then afterwards I'm gonna add some cabbage. This is cabbage. My cabbage was getting old also. Remember, like last time I showed you the cabbage in my garden? That's another one. That's a problem. My children are very hard. It's very hard to feed them some veggies. They love meat, but vegetable. So and now I'm gonna put some coconut milk. Oh, look at this. Oh, what happened to this coconut milk? What is this? What is this? What kind of coconut milk is this? Still not coming. Come out. Oh, yes. I have no idea. It's a coconut cream, I guess. Eeh. Doesn't look good. Looks good actually now. Not bad. It's a little bit little bit like how you say, tint of, I don't know, like, yeah, a little bit like because of the coconut. Now I'm gonna use this. Sorry guys, I was like at this fish. Now my house will be a little bit stinky, so a little bit of fish oil. So instead of salt, so that's what I'm using. One hand cameraman I am, one hand cook. How are you guys doing today? It was nice weather here in Holland. It was rainy yesterday, and I see lots of crabs working on the street. Yesterday when I went for jogging, oh my god, I was trying to rescue all those crab that was working on the street. It was disaster. That's the thing, I don't know how to cook crabs, lobsters, because I never did that, and I feel so sad that because lobster, and I heard like you need to boil them alive or like steam them alive, and that's what I feel like. Oh, I'm not a vegetarian, I'm a meat eater, but I think it's too much for me to do something like that. And I heard also they start squeaking when you put that in a boiling water or in a steam, like. So I still don't dare to cook them. Making live video of cooking is, I don't know. I think you guys later, maybe if I want to put this in a YouTube, I need to do fast forward. The good thing about a live video is whatever is happen here. If I'll catch fire, you guys can come and rescue me. Okay, now this is getting better. Yes, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of cabbage here. It's a very, very weird combination. You never know, guys. Let's try this. It might work, it might not. I don't want to cook it too much, this cabbage. This is one lot. So I'm going to use everything. So it will be healthy. Should I put some chili or not? Maybe not. Otherwise, see now the thing is, look at that. Otherwise I put chili in everything. Yes, this is cabbage. I think you can eat like that. If there was some rice, I would just eat like this. I still have food from yesterday. Yesterday I made butter chicken and it was delicious. Next time I will upload the video of butter chicken. What do you think of, guys? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this chicken broth that I prepare. Pressure cooker. Now that's like quite a disaster because usually I use my both hands to mix this thing. Now see here. Now I'm gonna put it here. Now I have lots of soup now. So in this chicken broth, I boil the chicken, which I'm gonna serve it later. And then afterwards, after it was boiled, I put a chicken cube actually. I see it's still not melting. What is it? let me taste though. It's nice. It's nice. So it's like a little bit of tom yum, so it's not like too much, not overwhelming. And now let me put a little bit of this, some more of the fish sauce. Not too much, because sometimes the fish sauce taste, I feel it's salty, but sometimes it's too different kind of salty. Very strong, pungent smell. My house would be not bad. Nice. So basically, see guys, like this is how it becomes. It's like a cabbage, tomato, lots of tomatoes, and chicken broth, a little bit of tom yum, fish sauce, garlic, and onion. These are the ingredients. I put it here. Once it's boiling, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dice the chicken, get rid of the things. I'm gonna dice the chicken, and then afterwards put in a bowl. Then I'm gonna first put this noodle. Then afterwards, you put a noodle this in a bowl. Then afterwards you pour this and then put the chicken, this diced chicken there, and then pour the soup on top of it. Then it will be voila. I will make a photo after I serve it, then post it. Hope you guys will enjoy this thing, and try at home and send me how it turned out, whether you like it or not. And if there's any other kind of a recipe or any kind of veggies or meat that you would like to try or want me to cook, I'm always willing to do that. Except I don't eat beef, so I cannot help you in this, guy. And I don't know how to cook crabs and lobster. I never tried it. I don't think I could ever try. So the rest I think I can cook anything. I improvise a lot because I love food, so I improvise. So if I eat something and then I say like, okay, oh, maybe I can make something like that. So okay guys, thanks for watching, and like then I will send you the how we gonna serve it. Then everything's on a dinner table. Thank you very much.